We got a 2004 Acura RSX. I'm gonna show you how to replace the rear view mirror. So just gotta remove this plastic cover, and you can use any something like this or just a flathead screwdriver, whatever fits in here. So just remove it. This is very simple. This is not complicated. Okay, so after you remove the plastic cover, there's only 3 screws. Three Phillips. You can use a Phillips screwdriver, and there's 3 screws. So you remove the screws. I already installed a new one. This is the old one, and you can see the 3 holes for the screws. This is the old one. Okay, and this is the new one, and this comes from a 2004 Honda Civic. So all the Civics, they are compatible with the RSX, or if you have any Civic, they're compatible. Most of them, they're compatible. For sure not the Accords, because the Honda Accords, they have it on the windshield, but most of the Civics, they're compatible with the RSX or any other Civic. So that's it. It's only 3 screws. You remove them, put the new one, tight the new screws or whatever, and that's the old one. That's the new one. And also this is coming from the junkyard. You don't need to pay a lot of money for a rear view mirror or any mirror. I think they're like $4 or $5, maybe $6. So if you have a Civic or if you have an RSX, they're all most of them, they're compatible. So it's very simple. So after you put the screws, just put the plastic cover back, and that's it.